How about this video? This is a test video generated using text-to-video technology. Runway just released its new version, Gen-2. If you visit their homepage, you can get it to try. The link is listed below. Runway is an AI research company focused on shaping the future of art, entertainment, and human creativity. They have numerous interesting projects that utilize state-of-the-art AI technology. Gen-2 has just been released, and we are eager to test it out. First, you need to register using your email address or simply using a Gmail account. During the registration process, you will be asked to subscribe and receive the latest offers. Additionally, please consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoy my content. Once you are registered, you will have an interface similar to this. You should select a plan for your workspace. The free plan offers 125 credits for testing purpose, but you cannot purchase additional credits. Naturally, the free plan has certain limitations, as we would expect. However, for our testing purpose, the free plan will suffice. Previously, with Gen-1, we could generate videos from existing videos. Now, with Gen-2, we can generate videos from text, while Runway offers other functions such as background removal, image generation from text, image-to-image transformation, and training your own generator. Those functions can also be achieved using tools like Photoshop or Stable Diffusion. I'm not entirely sure if Runway can provide better results for those functions. However, I'm particularly interested in text-to-video feature at the moment. By clicking on this icon, you will access a prompt area. If you are unfamiliar with using prompts, there are numerous examples provided below that can assist you. Clicking the Try This icon will automatically paste the prompt used in the demo video into the prompt area. Detailed information can be seen by clicking on the small icon. The seed function is used to create a specific video. If you use a copied seed, it will generate a similar video. Interpolation can enhance video smoothness. The upscale and remove watermark functions are only available to paid users. For testing purpose, we can currently generate videos that are 4 seconds long. Upon clicking the Generate button, the video generation process will commence. It usually takes around 1 or 2 minutes to complete, which is relatively fast. Once finished, you can play and watch the video, which is stored in your Assets folder. You can also download the video to your computer. Now, let's try using our own prompts. You can change the seed by unlocking the locker. Enter a number and press Enter to alter the seed. Type some prompts in the prompt area, and then click the Generation button. Once the generation process is complete, you can view the resulting video above. You also have the option to download the video. Let's now experiment with the text-to-image conversion. Free users can only generate 512p resolution images. Enter some prompts and click Generate. The image quality may not be as good as what you can achieve with Stable Diffusion or Mid-Journey. For better results, it is advisable to upgrade to a paid plan. Now, let's start a test project. You can use your generated video as a sample. You have the option to enlarge the video, add text, just like you would in Adobe Premiere Pro. Templates are also available for use, allowing to drag and drop video tracks. The output video will have a resolution of 720p. Naturally, you can download the video as well. Text-to-video AI projects have gained significant popularity recently. Many companies have joined this field in search of better resolutions. Runway Gen-2 project provides us with another option. Let's stay excited. and see what the future. If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.